Every sound in this track came from my flat. There are no downloads for this one, just a digital recorder. You can use your mobile phone and whatever I could find around me. By the end of this video, you will know how to add a layer to your drum kits that nobody else has. Now, here's something that producers miss. Your library is a foundation. Solid kicks, tight claps, clean hats, and that's what gets your track sounding professional. But foundation isn't identity. The thing that makes your track sound like yours, it has to come from somewhere else. For years, I thought having a bigger library of sounds would fix my own sound, but it didn't. My tracks were clean, but they weren't really mine. They felt generic. So I found out that something was missing. Your own sound isn't built from a single source. It's built in layers. You have a strong foundation plus something that nobody else has. That's what we're going to talk about. The foundation, I'll give you that for free, and the link is in the pinned comment. The something nobody else has, we will make it today. So first, we will start with the hi-hats. I already made a video about how to create your own hi-hat, and the link is here. Go there, and then come back again. Now let's work on the claps. You get a hard surface, short hit, drop it into simpler. Layer this on top of your usual clap, you shape the attack, you add a touch of reverb, short and tight. Now that clap has texture, and that texture is yours. Now comes my favorite part, percussions. Let's go for something metallic and something short. Record 2 takes of the same source and tune them slightly apart. Now it's interesting, now it has character, and most of producers just simply skip this part. Foundation underneath. One font sound on top. Four font sounds. And now the full kit. So you have the solid foundation plus the textures I found on my flat. Now sounds clean and also sounds mine. And now you have a layer on your drum kit that nobody else has. If this video has helped you, subscribe, don't miss the next one. And free foundation kick and bass pack, link is in the pinned comment. See you next video.